What's up, my little peep? This is probably one of the most unscripted videos ever that I'll ever release, but let's get into it. So first thing first, ensure you smash the like button for YouTube algorithm, and let me show you how to budget like a boss in 2022. First things first, I want you to know that when you have a budget, you actually need to have a purpose. As in, why are you budgeting? If you're just going to live life carefree or whatever, then you don't need a budget. You just live life carefree. But a budget must be aimed at a long-term goal that will be accomplished through short-term achievements. Alright. Best case scenario, I can give you one of mine. One of mine is I want to have at least $800,000 in dividends by time I am 30. So that leaves me roughly 9 years because I'm turning 21 in a few days. So that means that I'll need at least $7 million at a rate of return of anywhere from, give or take, 6 to 7 to 10% in order to achieve that. And how I plan to get $11 million? I'm not sure. If I'm being totally honest, I'm not sure. But being unsure is the fun part. And not exactly knowing how you're going to reach your goal, it's better, it's more challenging, and it gives you a sense of drive and a sense of appreciation when you actually hit that goal. So granted, finance is boring, and a budget don't necessarily have to be about just finances. You can have other goals that you might want to achieve, and it can be from being rich as Batman or simply just wanting to enjoy life with your family as you get old. Regardless of what it is, you will need to plan. Unless, as I say, you just want to live life and just go wherever the wind takes you. And seeing personally that I don't know your plans, I'ma just tell you some of mine. And then you probably can get an understanding of what plans you will need to go ahead with. So my first one is I don't want to have any debt. Well, any bad debt. And that means owing anybody, as in person, are going to school. So my aim is to ensure that I continue to maintain my scholarship throughout school. That covers like 67% of my tuition, and well, don't owe anybody, so that's that. I also wanna, as I said earlier, get 800k in dividend income easy. I finish my stock course. I'm working, guys. My equipments are just not the best, and I also want to retire my grandmother and have a little bit of fun alongside with it. So here is my breakdown of my budget from last year, all the goals that I hit, and my projections for 2022, and how I plan to achieve it. So let's go. Alright, so lovely for me. As I say, my goal for 2021 wasn't nothing special, really. Got monetized on YouTube. I struggled, and I'm going lie. Hours, the amount of videos I had to upload and big friend watching them things, it was a struggle. But everybody out in the whole alien situation. You guys know my whole scammed situation. I got scammed. Invest at least 70k in stocks. Invest, I'm applying 90 something k, so invest 150 USD in crypto, like 185. Turn USD 100 USD into 1000. I actually use this money for help with this. Apply for my scholarships and got it, so end up finish year one and did good. And oh no, one I'm paying it. The NHP is what I'm going to use to get my house. I'm a friend, so I'm gonna finish paying NHT yet. I'm maybe like a couple thousands for them. I'm a friend, same. Pass all my courses. I don't know, I don't get results yet for this year, so we're just kind of there. Wait to see what's going on. So my 2022 goals now was, I say, get paid on YouTube. You guys know the struggles. You guys know your niggas struggling out there. YouTube says $100 before you can get paid on their platform, and out here I try, isn't me? Out here I try. But they reach 9th line, but by about January or February, more can get like a food. It's a little vibe. So that's that. Invest 400k into stocks. This is 400 new k, not plus some of right now. Invest crypto, same new crypto. Enjoy myself, go out, apply for my scholarship. I got the scholarships already for this year, so there's that. Pass all my courses. Gonna restart the course yet, so and finish my stock course. So yeah. Now this little concoction is my rough draft of what my budget is for the year. As you can see, pay off friend. This is like 100 and mash. 7 money more, which is crazy. 400k in stocks, invest 500 in crypto, enjoy myself. Me 5 grand a month is okay. I line up to 60k, just give me grandma some money in the event, yo, if anything. Relationship talk. Alright, first things first, relationship talks is just like if I have a significant other and it's a case where you're going out, or just even should come here. I'm supposed to get her some of the garden Ramsey. Can buy goods and them some there, buy food and everything. Finish my stock course, I'm going to need animation. That's why this video in and out itself isn't even animated. I still need to get about animation software. And things I'm gonna plan for, I'm just put 100k because I don't know what will happen. What happen is the sum of this, all of them here, would equal to this right here. So yeah, see, all of them equal to. So that's that. How I plan to get all of this over here so now is job. At least work six months out of the year at 60k. So I'm getting more than that now, but yeah, 20k in dividend. That means I'm gonna have at least 200k. Now one of them stocks here. Get 30% from course sale. Guys, maybe you just made a dream, Plus it's worth it, trust me. You guys gonna make a bag of money with it. YouTube, $350. I don't know what's going to happen. I hope it works and we can actually get my laptop and just be more creative, make up more videos and everything there. Services, as I say, I have a business, so there's that. The business actually going assist with it. Beggings. I have my family, so they'll assist me. Yeah, look at those last, like 6 grand. If we get an average 6k for the year, I'm good. Buy Forex, just another $1,000. I'm not push it. This year I plan to go harder on Forex, but I'll just go on. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is there's two things. The monthly aim means that I need all of this money, 126,333. In order for it all them go there, everyone. First thing first, this is ridiculous. I never see how I'll get even all of this, but I'm going to try. That is what I'm going to do. So for pay the person, this is like for three payments. For course, this is across for 12 months. As you can see, 12. These are the 3. These are 12 too. Enjoy for crypto. Crypto at 12. I think it'll be better over the course year or whatever, and that's fine. Enjoy myself, I say. 5 in a month. Same grandma. 2.5 for the relationship tax, just in case. So I don't give it like once or twice for the month, I guess. Unless they're spending, so then there's that. 27k is just a one-time payment. This may know so I have the money put on a savings account, and then yeah, about that. So this little concoction I'm right here, so it's just for like each month it would be a case where, alright, say I pay NHT whatever, any amount I pay, so say I pay 10k this month, it reduces how much I have to pay afterwards. So take it off back and you see I'm back to 116 over here. So some put 100k in our stocks, then it carries to 300. So the aim is to make everything that I have to be all zeros by the end of the year. There's probably somewhere he can probably hit, but we just say go. Yeah, I don't want to hold you guys longer. But yeah, thanks for watching. Smash that button for YouTube algorithm. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Catch you next video. Peace. Alright, bye guys.